Go and say hello to Paige first, then come back for it. Go and find Paige.
You don't have to say good morning. But the toast.
Toast is much more important. Oh, I know.
You're a little bit early.
I haven't finished yet. No, I haven't finished. No, I haven't. It's no good. No good telling me I have. I haven't. No, I haven't finished yet. All right, wait.
Get his sad voice out.
You stop being a baby. Yeah, I know. I love you too, but you love my toast more than me. Don't you?
No comment.
We know. You're not going to move until you've got your toast, are you? I can see you.
I can't.
You're just down there. All right. This bit yours. Or it might be.
He spat it out. Had to get a better angle on it.
Well, it's a big bit. Bigger than usual. Right. Who are you going to say hello to now? You're going to go and nudge Paige because she hasn't said hello? Oh, you're sulking. And he reckons it's time for a walk.
Mm-hmm. That was way too many. There's like 5. 5 sneezes.
You want something?
Oh, you can put the camera down, don't you?
What do you want then? Holiday toast. Is that what you want? Do you think you should have some? You do. You should. Bless you. You sneezed all over the iPad.
Oh well.
You want this? All right. There. Just that little bit. Is that good? Right, it's time to go out now.
Come on then, let's go and do a wee on the squelchy grass.